Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get started our lesson. So first sentence is rest assured. Rest assured. फिक्र की कोई बात नहीं. Second, there you are. I am looking you at home. There you are. I'm looking at you at home. तुम यहाँ हो, मैं तुम्हें घर देख रहा हूँ. 3. Don't imitate me. Don't imitate me. मेरी नकल मत करो. 4. She is blustering him. She is blustering him. वो उसे झंझोड़ रही है. 5. What will you get from that pauper? What will you get from that pauper? तुम्हें इस कंगाल से क्या मिलेगा? 6. Uneducated yokel. Uneducated yokel. अनपढ़ नागवार. 7. Don't be shrewd excessively so. Don't be shrewd excessively so. ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा होशियार मत बनो. 8. Don't rise here, uproar. Don't rise here, uproar. यहाँ हंगामा मत खड़ा करो. 9. What are you talking, pell-mell? What are you talking, pell-mell? तुम क्या उल्टी सीधी बातें कर रहे हो? The last one is 10. You must note provocation him against me. You must note provocation him against me. तुम्हें उसे मेरे खिलाफ नहीं भड़काना चाहिए. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.